Hello everyone, welcome to the Next is Now. I am Alok Kumar and today we are going to learn fonts and footer in HTML. In our previous video, we had a basic overview of the HTML tags in the basic page. Okay, what we had used this head and then title tag, and this body we used inline styling in the body. Okay, and after that we used this color change in h1 means heading, and then h2 and then paragraph tag. Okay, and this was a page for the previous one. Okay. Now the today's topic is font and footer. Okay, you can see here font tag. This is in red. Basically font tag is removed from HTML5. Okay, and we are gonna use this font in style only. Okay, so before proceeding, this is the method to comment in HTML. Okay, so I'm writing here the today's topic in this comment box. Okay, after that, here you can see first we need to design just a basic page. Okay, giving the title as home. Okay, and defining the body. Okay, and here we are just putting a normal heading here. Okay, let's say it is next is now. Okay, and put a basic style as a background color as black. Okay, and here also we need to change the color since default color is black, so we change it to aqua. Okay, and here we need to define paragraph tag here, and here style, and we are here defining the font family. By using the font family, we can define the font type here, and we define Times New Roman. Okay, now like we have defined the font family for the text which we are writing here in paragraph tag. Okay, so welcome to the next is now. Okay, and now save, and wait, just before, like we need to define here color. Okay. And now save and see here. Yeah, I need to change this one as is. Yeah, now let's view this. Yeah, you can see here color changed, and here the background and the font style is Times New Roman. Okay, now we have to use some other font features like font size. Let's say it's X large. These are some predefined size of font. Okay, so we put 2x large and refresh. Yeah, you can see here. Now apart from this, we can generally or like manually write the size as like I written 50px. Okay, so here you can see we can manually also put. Okay, I will set it back to the X large. Right, now after changing the font size, we will try to change the font weight. Weight means like how thick the font is, like bold or light the font is. Okay, so this is one the predefined font weight, bold. So now the font is in bold. All right, now let's try to change it to another one. Let's say lighter one. Okay, lighter. Yeah. Okay. Now let's save and refresh. Yeah, so it's the lighter one, but we can change it manually also. Okay, so for manually you need to type the numbers like this 800 to. Okay, now you can see. Yeah, bold now. To make it lighter, just reduce the number. Let's say 100. Okay, 100 or 300. Okay, now save this. Yeah, it's lighter now. Right. So by this method, you can change font weight, font family. Okay. Now here you can see HTML tag is missing, but without that also it is running. Okay, let me define this HTML tag. Without defining the HTML tag, it also works. Okay, but we always define the HTML tag. It is necessary. Okay. Now coming to the footer part here. I use the footer tag here. Now putting some text inside it. Let's say this copyright 2023, all rights reserved. Okay. Yeah. See, you can't see here footer. Okay. So for that we need to use styling. Okay. Now the styling which we are gonna use, it is internal styling. Okay. Before that I showed you guys that was inline styling. Now it's internal styling. Okay. Let me write here the name of the tag where we're gonna apply the style. Okay. We can also apply style on classes, IDs, which we're gonna learn in upcoming videos. Okay. There are many methods to define the styles, which we will learn in upcoming videos. Currently just we are gonna here learn this. Okay. We use text align the left side, so the text will be aligned to left. We are putting the color as azure here. Okay. Now we are just adding as auto. Okay, no need to do anything. Now you can see here our text is there, but you saw in other videos, like other sites, that footer is the below of the page. For that, what we will do is just add margin. Okay, so we are adding here margin top is 700 px. Okay, so this margin will be added at the top of the footer. Okay. This is a bit more, so we will reduce this margin. Okay, here let's say it's 400. Now let's, yeah, it's fine now. Okay, but remember like we don't usually use this for the footer. Mostly our page should be full, and then at the end footer is added. Okay, and here let's say align it to center to look more good. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, and there are other method also which we will be learning in upcoming videos. Currently it's just basic, so we are going like step by step. Okay, hope you guys have understood all the concept here. If you guys have any doubt in this, you can comment down below. Okay, right, this one is internal styling. Remember, this is internal styling. Okay, after that we're gonna learn external styling also in upcoming videos, and we need that. Okay, if you guys have any doubt, just comment down. I will try to resolve them. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.